Hi everyone, Sandy Reese with stampandcrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video today. We are going to make a super cute and easy treat topper using the new Playful packaging bundle in our May to August mini catalog. Before we get started, I just want to remind you to click subscribe if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on future videos. And then with every $50 purchase from me, you're going to receive a kit of that month's card class projects for free, which we are going to do next Thursday. So make sure to check back Thursday at noon. Okay, I'm gonna flip you down and we're gonna get started. All right, here is our Playful packaging bundle. This comes with a die set. It has 9 dies. We're going to be using these 2 in the star today, but it also comes with a handle, 3 different labels, a couple flowers, and a heart. Then over here in the stamp set, we have kind of a background stamp. We have 1, 2, 3 sentiments plus a to and from. And then we have these cute little stamps, flowers, stars, a little kind of, I call them surprise lines, or I don't know what you call them, and hearts. And these can stamp right along these little scallops on these die cut pieces. Plus we also have a separate small star and small flower stamp. Okay, we're just using this sentiment, a gift for you today. So what I've done is cut the 2 pieces out of basic black right here. This one has a score line, and if you were going to have a handle on this, you would glue the handle onto this flap right here, and then we attach the back to that. So the back and the front, and it doesn't matter which side you use, you do one of each. And when that score line is folded down, they're the same size. So this is just a little extra flap for assembly. All right, now we're not doing a handle. This is a very quick, easy one, okay? Now I wanted to do a little soccer treat. So if you have a son or a grandson or even a husband, or someone who likes to play soccer and you want to make little treats for the team, this is perfect. Or for a soccer themed birthday party, or just to give your soccer kid, you know, a cute little treat beforehand. So I've cut, it's from our match day suite. And I'm not sure if this is game day, a perfect match, something like that. I'll post measurements and supplies on my blog. So what I'm going to do, I just cut a little strip, and I'm going to glue this, and it really doesn't matter which one I glue it to, but I'm going to glue it to the one right now that has the flap, and I'm leaving just a hair at the top, and then we have our scallops on the bottom. Very cute. So we're going to assemble this, and then we will put our label on. Okay, so what I like to do, I'm going to put some double-sided tape. Let me get here. I'm opening up the flap and I'm putting the double-sided tape on the flap, and then I'm putting it, you can put it underneath as well, and that's going to seal our bag. And then you can put one down here or just a little piece down there and on the inside of, or the back of the other one. All right, now I'm putting this here, and I'm going to take off the lower one that's below the score line. And I've got one of our 4x8 cello bags, and I've cut it down to 4 inches tall. So it's really a 4x4 bag. And I bought these adorable little chocolate soccer ball candies. I got these on Amazon. Comes with quite a few, it's £1. I use these for I made these for our incentive trip swaps, and I'm just tucking this bag right into the crease right here and sticking it down, and then let's peel this off. and fold that down, and that's going to hold our bag in there. Then we can peel this off and just lay that down flat. Okay, now I'm going to use my liquid glue. You can also use the double-sided tape here, but it's a little humid where I live, and sometimes our tear and tape doesn't like humidity, whereas the combo liquid glue doesn't care about humidity, as far as I'm concerned here. So I'm going to make sure that's glued down, and then peel off that backing I have behind here and get a grip on it, and then press that down. And that's going to secure that little bag of candy right in there, so there's no flapping around. Okay, very cute. So what I have done is cut a piece of, with this little label out of, I think it's Granny Apple Green, and I stamped a gift for you. Now this could be for anything. You could stamp or write whatever you want to do. We're gonna pop this up. These are just a little, just gonna fit in there. I would use the minis, but I happen to have these handy. And I'm gonna put them over just a little bit. Well, maybe I'll put it in the middle. You just put it wherever you want. And then I've cut out 2 stars using our silver luster paper. You can also use whatever you want. I'm going to put one here and then one down here. You could use silver foil, you know, and this doesn't have to be green. It can be whatever color you want it to be. And then we're going to do, what did I have the string out for? It's been quite a while since I've made these swaps. I don't know. Let's tie a little bow. I'm sure I did something with this. I might have tucked it under. Let's see if that'll work. I had this out for some reason. This is our black baker's twine from the Baker Twine Essential Pack. I can't seem to get it through underneath my dag. There we go. We could kind of put it there. Let's grab a glue dot. Do I have glue dots out? I do have a glue dot, so that must have been what I did with it. Okay, for this one, I'm just going to grab that glue dot. Slide that out and put that on my ribbon. And pull it back under. This would have been easier to do before I put the label on. That's what happens. And then press it down. So now it's stuck to the back of that cute little label. And that one is super easy to do. You know, you could get more elaborate. You could do layers of the scallops. You could do a handle like we did for our 4th of July one. But this is, if you're making a bunch of these for the soccer team or for a birthday party, you know, you don't maybe want to spend, you know, hours and hours. You want this to get done quick. So very quick and easy, a little treat topper. Okay, thanks everybody for stopping by, and I appreciate your business. I appreciate your viewership, and I appreciate all of you. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.